Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine, safe and healthy. I'm Mrs. Sarah Shakil from St. John High School and I welcome you in your third social studies class. Before we continue our lesson, let's see what we have learned in our previous class. The Indus Valley Civilization, culture, location and people. Three ancient cities of Indus Valley. Harappa, it's in Punjab. Mohenjo-daro, it's in Sindh. Kot Diji, it's also in Sindh. The Aryans, and today's topic is the Aryans. Aryan means of high descent because they were taller and fierce than their locals. The Aryans belongs to the Indo-European group of people which includes Hindus westwards to Europe. They have white complexion with wide variety of eyes colors. They were tall-heighted with blonde hair. In this picture you can see Aryans. The main significance of Aryans who originated in Central Asia in the area of the Caspian Sea. Aryans were the nomads from Central Asia who came into the subcontinent of Asia and settled here. We'll see who are nomads or who were nomads. People who move from place to place in search of food and shelter. In this slide you can see two pictures of nomads. You can see they are carrying their things, animals. From where did Aryans come? Aryans were fierce group of people who came down from the Ural Mountains in Russia. In this slide you can see a globe and there is a star, red star, means this place is Russia. Look at the map of Russia and locate the Ural Mountains. Yes, this is Russia. Many countries, Finland, Norway, Turkey, Kazakhstan and China, and this is Russia, and the cursor is going on Ural Mountains. Why Aryans came down from the mountains? क्या वजह थी कि आर्यंस पहाड़ों से नीचे उतरे? When they came down to the Indus Valley, they realized that this was the perfect place to settle and they did not go any further for food and shelter. Living on mountain is tougher than living on flat land and there are lesser resources available on mountains. Aryans were basically nomads. They were just like campers. This lifestyle had made them harsh and aggressive. The invasion of Aryans. Aryans were the nomads from the Central Asia who came into the subcontinent of Asia and settled here. The Aryans defeated the local people and soon took over most of India. They are the forefathers of present Hindus, and the Hindu religion is based on the beliefs of Aryans. Yes, you can see picture on your screen. There are two castes of Aryans. This is the first caste and this is the lowest caste. What did Aryans introduce to the people of the Indus Valley? आर्यन ने इंडस वैली के लोगों को क्या क्या मुतारिफ करवाया? द फर्स्ट इज द कास्ट सिस्टम, यानी ज़ात पात का निज़ाम, छोटा बड़ा अमीर गरीब, और जिसके पास पैसे हैं किसके पास पैसे नहीं हैं उसके लिहाज से उन्होंने अपना कास्ट सिस्टम बनाया. सेकेंड, ब्रोंज एंड गोल्ड. ब्रोंज मतलब कांसी. दैट टाइम पीपल यूज स्कल्पचर फॉर ब्रोंज with the bronze. And second is sona. Number third is horse and chariots, घोड़े और जुलूस गाड़ी. They use it for transport and for the battles. And the third one, use of bow and arrow, तीर और कमान का इस्तेमाल. Language. Sanskrit, the language of the Aryans, is important as it is basis of many other languages such as Hindi, Latin, French and English. Religion. Being close to the nature, the Aryans worship the natural forces as their gods and goddesses. Number one is Brahma, the creator of the universe. Vishnu, the peaceful sustainer of all life. Shiva, who controls death. Durga, the mother of goddess. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. Kali, the dark fearsome goddess. I know you know about Shiva, Durga, Lakshmi and Kali as you people watch Hindu dramas. So you know about 4 of them. The caste system. The caste system was brought by the Aryans. This system based on occupations was very rigid and people could not change their caste. लोग अपनी कास्ट को चेंज नहीं कर सकते थे और बहुत सख्ती से मना किया गया था कि इसको तब्दील नहीं किया जाना. A person born into one caste rarely changed caste or mixed with member of other caste. Caste member lived, ate, married and worked with their own group. Vedas. Vedas is the religious literature of Aryans. Rank and importance. According to their occupation, the people were divided in 4 castes as mentioned below in order to rank and importance. Number 1 is Brahmins. Number 2 is Kshatriyas. Number 3, Vaishyas. Number 4, Shudras. Here on the screen you can see 4 of the caste. First one, second, third and fourth. Brahmins, यानी आलमे दीन. The caste system in which the stronger Aryans were at the top of the ladder. They called themselves Brahmins. Priests made up the highest caste. The priest who conducted all religious activities, banned changing the caste into which anyone was born. In this slide you can see this is a Brahmin and he is a priest. Yes, next one slide is Kshatriyas. It is the second highest caste. And this caste includes warriors, defenders, And some said soldiers or kings were also in this caste. Yes, you can see this is a soldier or defender. Yes, next one is third group, Vaishyas, the third group of the caste. Some of them were traders, businessmen, farmers or craftsmen. Craftsmen मतलब कारीगर. Yes, Vaishyas. The fourth one and the last one is Shudras. Lowest rank or the fourth group in Aryan's caste system. They were the lowest in rank, comprising of these servants and laborers. They were the outcast. They comprised of the locals. In this slide you can see 4 of the caste: Kshatriyas, Brahman, Vaishyas and Shudras. Children, it's time for your homework. Question number 1. What do you know about Aryans? Question number 2. Who are nomads? Question number 3. Name the caste system of Aryan and explain each caste in 2 lines. Children, you have to do this work on a full scrap sheet. Make your social studies file, do your homework and submit it in the school. Thank you children. Thanks for listening. Stay home, stay safe.